Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 5. In unit number 1, the earth and the environment. Today we will study chapter number 3, can people affect climate. Today we will study chapter number 3, can people affect climate. Now open page number 15 and listen some important terms. Today we will study chapter number 3, can people affect climate, page number 15 to 17. In this we will study what is greenhouse. What is greenhouse? A greenhouse is a small glass house. A greenhouse is a small glass house, शीशे का बना हुआ घर, glass house, which is used for growing plants, which is used for growing plants. It works much like the inside of a car parked in sunlight. It keeps the plants warm enough to live in the winter. सर्दियों के मौसम में, विंटर सीज़न में, जैसा कि बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर डाउन पे चला जाता है, डिक्रीज़ हो जाता है टेम्परेचर, cold, there is cold enough, so the plants needs the warm temperature for growing, for growth. प्लांट्स को बढ़ने के लिए वार्म टेम्परेचर की ज़रूरत होती है, हाई टेम्परेचर की ज़रूरत होती है. दैट इज़ वाई in winter season some plants must be kept in a greenhouse. Understand? Because it traps the sun energy and hold it inside the glass house. Now what is the greenhouse effect? What is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is a natural process. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the earth's surface. ग्रीन हाउस एक नेचुरल प्रोसेस है जो कि ज़मीन के करीब की सतह को वार्म करता है, रखता है. when the sun's energy reaches the earth's atmosphere, जब सूरज की तवानाई सन्स एनर्जी अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर तक पहुंचती है, सम ऑफ इट इज़ रिफ्लेक्टेड, कुछ रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती है, इसमें से टकराकर वापस मुड़ जाती है बैक टू स्पेस में, एंड द रेस्ट इज़ एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज, और बाकी की एनर्जी, द रेस्ट ऑफ एनर्जी इज़ एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज. ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती हैं, जज्ब कर लेती हैं अपने अंदर. द एब्जॉर्ब्ड एनर्जी वार्म्स द एटमॉस्फेयर एंड सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ. अब जो एब्जॉर्ब्ड एनर्जी है वो गर्म रखती है एटमॉस्फेयर को, अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर को और सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ को. अंडरस्टैंड? Now effects of human activities on climate. Effects of human activities on climate. What are the effects of human activities? By some activities of people, there must increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and the climate on earth is increasing, its temperature is increasing by day to day. So this is called global warming. There are some human activities cause this to happen by bringing about an increase in the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And what are the activities of humans by which they are increasing the level of carbon dioxide? These activities are growing use of fossil fuels in transport and industry, because there is increase in use of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are what are fossil fuels? These are the remains of dead plants and animals which rested in the earth by 100 or 1000 years, and the kinds of fossil fuels are coal, oil and gas. Coal, oil and gas. So by using these things, these things produce carbon dioxide. So the level of carbon dioxide is increasing day by day by using these fossil fuels. And the unchecked cutting down of forest. Cutting down of forest, because nowadays the forests are cutting down by for different purposes, like for making furniture or for burning in in our northern areas where the temperature is very much low, and there is not any gas for burning, so they are using woods for the purpose to burn. That is why, or some industrialist use that place for their industries to build. So that's why the forests are cutting down. So when the forests are cutting down, there must decrease in the trees, and as you know that trees gives us oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, and when there is nothing for the absorption of carbon dioxide, so where it will go? It will remain in the atmosphere, and it will cause the increase in temperature as well. Understand? So next topic is, how will the increase in the earth's temperature affect us? When there is increase in the temperature, so ice on the glacier melts. When ice on the glacier melts, so the ocean bursts out. There must rise in the level of water in oceans. Okay? When it bursts out, it sweeps the basin areas of the coastal areas, or you can say the areas which are near or at the down of the oceans. So it makes hundreds or thousands of people homeless. Hundreds or thousands of people homeless, as it causes different diseases as well, or it affects the agriculture and livestock by decreasing the growth of crops. It affects the agriculture and livestock. Understand? Our next topic is ozone layer. Our next topic is ozone layer. It is a concentrated form of oxygen which is present above the earth. It forms a deep layer in the atmosphere going around the earth. The layer shields the entire earth from much of the harmful ultraviolet radiation that comes from the sun. Too much of this radiation can harm us by causing skin cancer and eye damage. Unfortunately, human activities have damaged this shield, because of which protection against the ultraviolet rays is lessening. Ozone layer is a protected shield above the earth atmosphere. Understand? It protects us from the ultraviolet radiation. So it protects us from ultraviolet rays of sun, and the human activities, as there is increase in temperature or in chemicals in our atmosphere, so it is harming the ozone layer, which causes some diseases, skin cancer or eye damage. Now the next topic is, what can we do? So what can we do? Simply, which are the effects of human activities to change these? As there is increase in level of carbon dioxide, you must decrease in the level of carbon dioxide. And how you will decrease? When you will decrease the use of fossil fuels. And how you will decrease the use of fossil fuels? When you switch off the lights when not in use, that is must necessary. Or you prefer bicycle, not to travel by transport, not use cars or motorcycles, etc. when the distance is short. And the other point which is in your book is that to travel by train or some other public transport or not by private car, this you can change point nowadays according to the scenario of coronavirus, that as we must avoid the public gathering, so don't use trains or all those things. You must use your private car as the scenario. And you must decrease the cutting down of forest. Plant more trees. Thank you.